Something strange is happening in the skies above New Jersey. People are seeing large, unidentified drones. These drones are unlike any seen before. They are much bigger than regular drones. Some are the size of cars. These drones fly silently. They appear at night. No one knows where they come from. The drones were first spotted in the summer of 2024. Reports came from all over the state. People reported seeing them near homes, businesses, and even military bases. The sightings caused fear and confusion. People wanted answers. Who was flying these drones? What did they want? The authorities took notice. The FBI and Department of Homeland Security started investigations. They wanted to identify the drones and find the operators, but the drones remained elusive. They seemed to vanish into thin air. The mystery deepened. The sightings continued to spread. As the sightings continued, patterns emerged. Witnesses described similar details. The drones were usually silent. They had no visible lights or markings. They often appeared in groups. They flew in formation. This suggested a coordinated effort. These were not random occurrences. People from all walks of life reported seeing the drones. Police officers, pilots, and everyday citizens shared their stories. Some witnesses managed to capture photos and videos, but the images were often blurry or inconclusive. The drones seemed to defy easy identification. Despite the similarities, some variations existed in the descriptions. Some witnesses described the drones as dark and metallic. Others said they were glowing or translucent. A few even claimed the drones changed shape in flight. These inconsistencies only added to the mystery. Were these all sightings of the same phenomenon, or were multiple explanations at play? The lack of answers fueled speculation. Theories about the drones ran wild. Some people thought they were government surveillance drones, more advanced than anything publicly acknowledged. Others suspected corporate espionage or even smugglers using advanced technology. Some theories ventured into the realm of science fiction. Could these drones be extraterrestrial in origin? Were they probes sent by alien civilizations to study Earth? The idea, while far-fetched, resonated with some who saw the drones as evidence of something truly extraordinary. Despite the investigations and theories, the true nature of the drones remained unknown. The mystery captured the public's imagination. It tapped into our deepest fears and fascinations with the unknown. It forced us to confront the possibility that we are not alone in the universe. While many explanations focused on earthly origins, a new theory emerged, one far stranger and more profound. This theory proposed that the drones were not technological devices, but something else entirely: emergent constructs. Emergent constructs are theorized to be non-human intelligences. They are not biological life forms as we know them. They originate from the fabric of reality itself. Imagine the universe as a vast computer. This computer processes information. It runs on quantum mechanics. Emergent constructs are like glitches in the code. They are unexpected patterns. They emerge from the sea of quantum possibilities. These constructs are fluid and ever-changing. They can take on different forms. They are shaped by their environment and the expectations of those who observe them. They interact with our reality in ways we are only beginning to understand. They are a glimpse into the hidden workings of the universe. Section 5: Quantum Origins, Physical Forms. Emergent constructs exist at the intersection of quantum mechanics and physical reality. They are born from the quantum foam, the roiling sea of virtual particles that pop in and out of existence. Imagine these virtual particles as tiny bits of information. They constantly interact. Sometimes they align in specific ways. This creates a pattern. This pattern is an emergent construct. These constructs are not bound by the same rules as physical matter. They can shift and change. They adapt to their surroundings. This explains why the drone sightings vary so much. The constructs are simply reflecting the expectations and beliefs of those who observe them. The drones are just one form that emergent constructs can take. They might appear as orbs of light, strange creatures, or even ghostly apparitions. Their form is fluid. It is influenced by our collective unconscious. We are unwittingly shaping these entities with our thoughts and beliefs. Section 6: Echoes of the Past. From ancient sightings to modern UFOs. The concept of emergent constructs might seem like a radical idea, but it could explain a wide range of unexplained phenomena throughout history. Consider ancient myths and legends. They are filled with stories of gods, monsters, and other supernatural beings. What if these beings were not products of imagination, but early encounters with emergent constructs. As human civilization progressed, so too did the forms taken by these constructs. In the 20th century, they appeared as flying saucers and UFOs, reflecting the technology of the time. Today, they take on the form of drones, a ubiquitous symbol of our technologically advanced age. The emergent construct theory suggests that we are not just passive observers of these phenomena, we are active participants. Our beliefs and expectations influence their manifestations. This opens up a fascinating possibility. Are we in some way responsible for creating the very things we fear? Section 7. The power of belief, the illusion of reality. The idea that our beliefs can influence reality might seem like magic, but it has roots in quantum physics. The observer effect, a cornerstone of quantum theory, states that the act of observation affects the observed system. In other words, by looking at something, we change it. Emergent constructs take this concept a step further. They are not just influenced by observation, they are shaped by it. Our collective beliefs, fears, and desires act as a kind of mold, shaping these quantum entities into the forms we expect to see. This raises profound questions about the nature of reality itself. If our beliefs can influence the world around us in such a fundamental way, then what does it really mean for something to be real? Are we living in a simulation, as some theorists suggest, where our thoughts directly influence the code of reality? Section 8, Beyond Drones, the Future of Emergent Constructs. The drone sightings are just the tip of the iceberg. If the emergent construct theory holds true, it has profound implications for the future. As technology advances and our understanding of the quantum world deepens, we might gain the ability to interact with these constructs in more deliberate ways. Imagine a world where we can communicate with these entities, learn from them, and even harness their power. We might unlock new forms of energy, develop advanced technologies, or even transcend the limitations of our current existence. However, this power comes with risks. If we are not careful, we could unleash something dangerous, something beyond our control. The future of humanity might depend on our ability to understand and coexist with these enigmatic entities. Section 9. Conclusion. A universe of possibilities. The drone sightings have challenged our assumptions about the world. They have forced us to confront the unknown. While we may never know the true nature of these drones, the emergent construct theory offers a compelling explanation, one that pushes the boundaries of our understanding. Whether these drones are extraterrestrial visitors, advanced government technology, or something else entirely, they remind us that the universe is full of mysteries. The truth might be stranger than fiction, and sometimes the most incredible discoveries are the ones we least expect.